Do you have a mobile business but aren't getting the right customers to buy it? Don't worry, Breva Printer got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your mobile business sales by customizing mobile covers using Breva Printer. Let's get started. Make your own design or text and transfer it to Breva Control Center. Place the mobile case on the printer and press confirm to start printing. We sure we don't want to miss the trend, right? Then make it fancy so we get their eyes on our phone. In just 15 seconds, you're done. Quick and easy. Breva Printer can print in any types of mobile case, be it wood, rubber, or glass, just the way you like. Print any design, company logo, or any text that your customer wants to print on their mobile case with Breva. You can also use variety of inks like UV, solvent, and water-based ink with color red, black, white, blue, and yellow. Level up your customer shopping experience by doing in-store personalization with Breva, the most compact flatbed printer. For more information, visit our website at www.multisys.me. Like and subscribe on our YouTube channel.